Today we are going to be going over translations. So translations could look like this with an arrow on one of these graphs, or it could be when you see the words slide or glide present, like if I were to tell you to slide this over a certain amount of spaces or glide it over a certain amount of spaces, but these problems have an arrow right here. So to do our translations, this one right here we'll look at first. This arrow is pointing up here and it is going up 1, 2, 3. So it's going up 3 and over 1, 2. And it's going to the right here. So what this means is it wants us to move this shape up 3 and right 2 spaces. So we're just going to look at each point and move these points individually. So this point right here is going to go up 3 and over 2. So 1, 2, 3, and over 2. 1, 2. So this is going to be where our point now is. And we're just going to do this with all the points. So this point is going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And it's going to go right here. Same with this point. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And this one right here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Same with this one, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So now we just connect our little dots here, and the same shape is going to be present 2 spaces right and 3 spaces up. So that is our translation here. So let's look at this triangle down here. This triangle, we have a really long arrow here. Let's see how many spaces this is moving. This one is moving down. So it's going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going down 7, and it's moving to the right here. How many spaces is it moving to the right? Let's see. So we're down 7, 1, 2. Moving over 2 again. So let's go ahead and move each of these points. So this point right here is going to go down 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, moving over 1, 2. Same with this point right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Same with this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. And now we have our same little triangle right here. And another way you can do translations, if they're not already on this graph, is simply subtracting the scale factor from your x and your y value. So if we had like 0.23 and it wanted you to move it down 1 and right 1, you would subtract 1 from here because you're moving it down, so that would just be 1. And your 3, you'd be moving it right, so that's adding, and you would add 1, so your new point would be 1, 4.